this video, I'll show you how to quickly create a Scribble animation in After Effects that can be used in music videos or any edit that needs a touch of energy, I guess. So first of all, if you have your footage ready on the timeline, double click on the program monitor. Then you need to select the brush tool from the tools bar that can be found at the top side here. Let's head over to the right side where we can see two panels called brushes and paint. If you can't see them for some reason, go to window and make sure they are checked. Let's focus first on brushes. Now there are a few settings from this panel that we should tweak a little bit. First, increase the diameter to something like 40. I mean, it depends on your preference, I guess. You can also increase the hardness to 100, set an angle, and maybe some roundness to your brush as well. Over here, inside the paint panel, you can set a color to your brush. You don't need to mess with anything else, except for the duration. Set it to single frame. Okay, now for the fun part, move towards the point on the timeline where you want to add the scribble effect. And with the brush tool activated, start drawing some lines, or shapes like circles, for example. Then with Control and the right key on the keyboard, move one frame forward. Start drawing again. Move one frame forward again. Maybe change the color of the brush this time to make the animation more interesting. And yeah, you get the idea. After doing this enough times and closing down this composition, you can see that the effect has been applied. I mean, I may have overdone it a little bit. Hopefully no one gets a seizure from seeing this, but if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.